Friends, if you're looking for a healthy, delicious meal that's packed with flavor, you're in the right place. Today we're making my favorite stuffed fish recipe that's super easy and super nutritious. So grab your apron, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tasty recipes every week. Onion, garlic, hot pepper, tamarind, a mix of southern herbs like coriander and fenugreek. Alright, let's get started with prepping the stuffing for our delicious stuffed fish. Grab about half of the tamarind, pour in a cup of hot water, give it a stir, and let it sit. We want that rich juice to separate from the seeds. This recipe needs a good amount of onions. Grab 2 large ones and chop them up along with a whole head of garlic. Add in some chili, depending on your taste. Love the heat? Don't be shy, add a little extra. Drizzle some olive oil in the pan, toss in the onions and garlic, and let them cook till fragrant. Then, add your chili and those fresh herbs. Now just a touch of turmeric for that golden color, and a pinch of salt. Simple and perfect. Feel free to swap the tamarind with some pomegranate paste, it works great too. And hey, if your tamarind has seeds, make sure to take those out. Make sure to season the fish well with salt. Alright, time to stuff our fish with that flavorful mix we made. Pack it in nicely, and finally, add some sliced tomatoes on top. It makes all the difference. Pop it in the oven at 180°C for about 50 minutes so the fish grills up beautifully. And that's it, folks, our stuffed fish is golden, juicy, and totally irresistible. If your kitchen smells amazing right now, you know you did it right. Hit that like button, smash subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next delicious adventure. Until then, stay hungry, stay happy, and keep cooking with love.